Hey, everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and here's today's tech tip. If you buy a desktop, make sure that you don't block any of its air vents. Here's a picture of a typical desktop, and you can see that on the side there's a big air vent right here. You want to make sure that you don't lay any books or papers or anything over these vents because that might block the air intake, which the system uses to cool its components. Also, you're going to see maybe right here running down the side. These also might be vents, and this might be a vent as well. It might just be a design that doesn't have any air intake, but if it is a vent, you want to make sure that you don't block any of these holes because that's how the system is cooling itself. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PC Perfect for 10% off your first visit.